Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for Rococo theme and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, first of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this bang. Okay, then you can color it with this color code. And then the next one, you're going to wear this corset. Okay, this one. And let's move to the next area. You can wear this sock or this hand sock and remove the fur. Alright, and we're going to go to the dressing room, and then we're going to wear, let me go to the currency items, and you're going to wear this skirt, okay, and use this sleeves from Myra dress. Okay, then go to the coats item, and then we're going to wear this necklace. Okay, and we're going to wear this Mara heels as well. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area. It's over here. I'm gonna wear this necklace. Okay, and I'm going to wear this earrings. Okay, and let's move to the hat area. It's where is it? Okay, it's over here. And use this flower crown. Remove the spikes. Okay, and now it's time to match the color for this corset. I'm going to use this pattern for the first selection and also for the second selection. For the third selection, I'm just going to make it white, okay, like this. And for the fourth selection, I'm going to apply this pattern as well. And let's move to the skirt. I'm going to apply the same pattern. Okay, and for the ribbon, I'm going to color it with this color code. Okay, and then let's move to the sleeves. I'm gonna apply this color. Then you can apply the same pattern and the same color for the other items. You guys, and I forgot to add an item here. I'm going to go to the ribbon area and grab this ribbon, and then I'm going to color it this one. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!